casual girl here. I'm at the Asian Garden Mall in Chinatown, and we're at the flower festival, and I just wanted to share with you a little bit of the beautiful flowers that we see here around here.
Bữa nay có cá. Đây là cá.
Very good. It tastes sweet.
Try some?
Sure.
Or you want to try spicy?
Yeah.
Or
Yeah.
yeah?
A little bit.
This one I just take out.
Just take it?
Just
Part.
take it.
The whole thing?
Yeah,
Oh,
the whole thing.
Okay. Fish skin.
Yeah, fish skin.
Okay.
The salmon.
Wow.
You want to try
Wow.
another?
Oh, that's okay. No, this is really good though. Wow. Crunchy. Not fishy at all.
Yeah.
I like that. Wow.
It's good for your hair. You can buy
Yeah.
for your kids and
Mm. Ooh, a little ting at the end right there.
yeah.
But it's good, not overpowering. That's really good, yeah. Wow. This is the contact information of the fish skin that I tried at the flower festival.
Did you try it, Sam?
I can smell it. It smells good, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, Sam, got a lot of.
That sucker is huge. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. Look at here. That's pretty. I like that. Smells sweet. Sweet. Smells sweet. Yeah. Cool. Look at those. At the Asian Garden Mall, the Flower Festival, I'm here with a friend of mine who has a booth that's trying to do pictures on shirts and just a bunch of different designs. And we'll have a talk with her in a minute, but let me show you what she's got going. She does hats over here, different styles, your zodiacs. And then these are some of the shirt designs that she has. And then she has some ready to go. And then we're going to find out, can you ship these to your customers?
Yes, anywhere in the United States.
Only the United States.
Only the United States.
All right, very good. What can you explain what some of the signs are?
Oh, all of this is called calligraphy art. So they call it the words, and you write into the image of any type of animal. This one is the 12 zodiac. If you can zoom close, I can explain to you. For example, this is the horse. If you look carefully, the word spell it out is H-O-R-S-E, horse.
Right.
And if it's a seahawk, you can see the S-E-A-S-A-W-K. And the cat, C-A-T, and the picture of the cat.
Right.
So this is called calligraphy art, what you pick.
Right, very
So
good.
you can find us at whatyopick.com.
The website words2pick.com. A link is provided in the description.